Hello everyone, welcome to Course Vourse Google Ads series. So today we will be talking about different types of targeting options in YouTube video ads in detail. So I have already created one YouTube campaign and we will review one by one all the targeting methods that we can use in YouTube ads and we can reach our relevant audience effectively. So if I talk about majorly, there are two kind of targeting method. One is the audience targeting method and these are the subcategories, and apart from this, second one is the content targeting method, and this also has some subcategories. So one by one, by definition, we will review and will show you the different targeting options that we can navigate here. So let's get started. So the number one category is audience targeting method. So audience targeting methods actually let you define whom you want to reach. So as it says, audiences are the groups of people with specific interest, intent and demographic as specified by. So for example, I am interested in red Nike shoes, or if I am very much curious about knowing what kind of shoes that are coming into the marketing, so that this is my interest, and if I'm looking for that product by keyword or anything, that's my intent. And the audiences are also based on demographic, means what kind of gender they have, what the age group that they belong to. So basically in Google ads we can target all those people depending upon each specification, like be it gender, be it parental status, household income, age, anything. We can target anyone based on any specification. So here also in audience targeting, there are different groups that we can target. Number one is demographic groups. In demographic targeting, basically we can target the particular age of the person, gender of the person, what is their parental status, and what kind of household income that they are getting. So if I check in the Google Ads account campaign, so I have to click on the campaign, and to navigate myself to this option, I have to on the left hand side scroll down and go to the audience option. Under audience keyword and content, there is one option for audience. Once I click on audience, then I will be navigated to this page. Then I have to scroll down and you will see audience segments here. And uh, once you scroll down a little bit more, here we have demographics that we are talking about, and we can see all those options: age, gender, household income and parental status. So if in a particular campaign, for example this is the campaign, and I want to add this audience targeting option, then on the right hand side I have to click on edit demographics. I have to select that particular ad group, and I will be navigated to this page. Now I can give it a name. For example, I give it a name as demographics, and I have to choose what I want to target exactly. I want to target females, I also want to target male, all this, right? There we here we can target gender wise. For example, I only deal in cosmetics, or I only deal in female products, right? So there is no point of showing ads to male audience, so I will just untick it and I will only target to my female audience. So this is how you can use this option. Then we have the age group also. For example, I am selling ladies suit, so probably the people who are above 25 or 35 will be interested in the kind of category or the product that I am providing, right? So based on the category also we can target age groups. If it's a course and I want to sell it to teenagers, so I will be targeting starting from 18. So it depends upon the course and any product or services that you're providing. So you can use this option and you can take till 65 plus maximum. Then we have additional demographics where we can target the parental status also. For example, I am selling a product which belongs to a toddler or maybe a infant, and I want to target parents, right? So I will untick that not a parent option and I will only target parent audience, right? So this is how you can specify this option. Anything that you want to go for not a parent, you can put it here as well. Then we have an option of household income. Household income is basically the income that a person is getting overall household wise. So here we have the targeting option. For example, I have a very niche product, or my product is very expensive, and I believe that the people who belong to lower than 50% of household income would not be my ideal audience. So I will target top 40%, right? So here we can select the audience, household income, which we want to target. I only want to target top 10% to 40%. I don't want to go for 50 or below 50%, because these are the people who can afford my product. So depending upon your product and service, you can choose the household income of the customer as well. So in the demographics, we have four options. Number one is gender. We can target gender wise. I want to target male, female, or both of them. Then we have a age group starting from 18 to 65 plus. Then I have a targeting option of targeting as a parent or not a parent as well. And I can target household income wise as well. If I want to target only top 10%, top 20, 30, 40%, 50%, or maybe lower than 50%. So this is the option for the audience. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one, if I see, it's detailed demographics. Now detailed demographics means it is based on the user, where we want to reach additionally broad audience. For example, I want to target people who are in college, who are college students, who are homeowners, who have recently became new parent. So I want to target that way, right? So in this option only, when you scroll down, so here we have an option of detailed demographics. So here we can target the people based on their interest, life events, and detailed demographics, right? So how we can target them? For example, I want to target anything, the people who are in sales and marketing jobs, or if I want to target the people who are providing email marketing services, or anything. For example, I type here college, so I will get the college information, audiences which comes under colleges, college admission information, the people, I mean, who are searching for college admission information, who are looking for college preparatory courses, right? So any broad category that I want to target, I can use that option in detailed demographics, where I want to target people based on their interest and life events, or anything like that. For example, I have an interest in, again, cosmetics. So probably I will type cosmetics here. So the people who are interested in makeup essentials, makeup, waterproof makeup, IT cosmetics, or anything like that will be able to see my ad. So anything that I want to target as a broader category, I can look here. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one, if we see, we can see that here we have interest, affinity segments, life events, in market, custom, your data. So this basically lies under the same category. So here, if you see, here we have different kind of marketing options. For example, I have in-market audience, then I have affinity audience, then I have life events and more. So what are these category? We will let us understand that as well. So in-market audience is basically are the audiences or the people who are actively looking for those services. For example, I type digital marketing agency, and this is an in-market audience. So it means in-market audience, these are the people who are actively looking for this kind of a keyword or this kind of a service in these 10 to 15 days. So these are the my high intent audience. So if you want, to reach the relevant audience or the active audience, so you have to choose the audiences which are in market. Then we can see some options of affinity audiences as well. Affinity audiences means it's a broader category, reaching the broader audience for creating the awareness and creating new brand awareness to the people. And in affinity audience, these are the people who are having the interest base. As I said, for example, I am interested in shoes, and I keep on searching for the new, you know, what are the new shoes that are coming into the market. So I keep on searching every 15 days now and then, in a month or anything like that. So these are the affinity audiences who are just searching out of the interest, but they are not actually actively looking for the services. Then we have one option for live events as well. So live events means the people who are showcasing their live events. For example, somebody posted a status of, recently married, marriage, recently retired. So these are their live events. So if I want to target those people, that can also be done in Google Ads. So these are the audiences that I have listed here: live events, in market, affinity segments. So all this covers these. Then we have one more option of your data segments. So if you have already created one remarketing list, we will talk about that as well in the upcoming videos. And if you have a past data of viewers who have viewed your YouTube channel or any video past interactions that they have on your channel, we can target those people as well. Like for example, there are 1000 users who have viewed my video, any video on my channel, or who have subscribed my channel. So probably I can retarget my videos to only those 1000 users. So those we can add them in the your data. So if you have already created one remarketing list, then we can add them here in the past data. You can see people who have previously interacted with your business. So your data means the past data that we have into the Google Ads account. We can target those people as well. Then we have custom search terms. So for example, people based on their search activity. So anything like the people that they are searching term wise, again it's like a keyword type, new keyword search term. So for example, people are searching for digital digital marketing, digital marketing, advertising. So basically I can add search terms that the people might be looking for, maybe 20 to 25 we can add here. And we can target those people who are searching search term wise. Okay. And here we have an option for exclusion also. If I want to exclude any remarketing list or any kind of a particular audience, I can do that as well. Okay, so this is all about the audience targeting methods. In audience targeting, we talked about demographics, detailed demographics, and in detailed demographics, we have interest, affinity, life events, in market audiences that we can target. The second category that we have is content targeting methods. How we can navigate ourselves is, uh, for the audience targeted, we selecting the campaign and we navigated ourselves to the audience. For the content, we have to just scroll down and we have to go to content. And in content, we have, uh, here we have to click on this page, add content. We have to select the particular ad group, and then we have three targeting options majorly in the content targeting that I have listed here: placement, topic, and keyword. So first of all, let us talk about the topic targeting. So topic targeting is basically the target of your video ads to specific topics on YouTube and Google Display Network. So you can target, as the name suggests, topic wise into the Google Ads campaign. So for example, I want to cover any particular topic. For example, I want to again cover digital digital marketing. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay. Digital marketing. So I will get some topic wise list here that I can target. For example, related to me, it's digital only marketing. And then we have other options also, like marketing, advertising, and marketing, right? So we can target keyword wise, and we can also browse here in the list which are already there. Anything which I find related to marketing, I can choose those audiences and I can add. Otherwise, I can search from here, and here I will get some relevant audiences that I can add. So here what we are doing is we are targeting topic wise. Like here the topic is marketing, here the topic is advertising and marketing. So anybody who is looking for these topics on the Google search, not search but YouTube or display network, will be able to see my ad. Okay, so these are the topic targetings. Next one, if I talk, is that one is placement. In placement targeting, as the name says, placement, it means placing your ads to other website, apps, or videos. So in the placement targeting, what we can do is, for example, I have a digital marketing agency, and there are some YouTube channels that also do the same kind of business that I am doing, but they are very famous. They have a lot of subscribers and viewers and everything, and I want to showcase my ad to their channel, or a particular video, or on a website, app, or anything. So what I can do is I can probably search for their YouTube channel here, and I can target that. If I have a URL, probably I can add multiple placements. So what I can do is I can go to their channel, I can copy that channel link, and I can paste it here. If I want to showcase my ad into their particular video, I can post that video link here, and I can choose it as a ad placement. So this means that I am telling Google to, for example, that these are the 10 videos where I want to place my ad, and Google will see the auctions or other criterias, and if applicable, my ad will be displayed to their videos and the YouTube channel. So these are the placements. We can see the definition wise as well. So placements means target channels, videos, apps, website, and placements within website. For example, if you want to target an entire high traffic blog or just the homepage of a popular news site, placements can include your YouTube channel, video, display network, apps, and everything. For example, for my competitor, they have a YouTube channel, YouTube video, they have a website. On their website also, I want to showcase my ad, or on their app, I want to show my ad. I can do that using the placement option. Apart from this, the next one that we have is keyword targeting. As the name suggests, we can target keyword wise as well in the YouTube ads. For example, I want to search for the people who are looking for new Nike shoes, best shoes in the market, new collection of shoes, or anything. So if I want to list a keyword here, like 20 to 25, 30, 40, anything, n number of keywords, if you want to list, and you want to target those people who are looking for these keywords on YouTube or any search network, display network, then that can be done. So these are the major kind of targeting options that we have under content targeting methods. Okay, so we have placement, we have topic, and we have keyword targeting. The last one is that we can target device wise as well. If I want to target computers, if I want to target only the people who are using smartphones, mobile devices, that can also be done. For the device level targeting, we can go to, just scroll down here, and we can go to campaign settings. Once you go to campaign setting, you have to scroll down, you have to click on additional setting, and here we have the option of devices. Right now my ad is visible to all the devices: computer, mobile phone, tablet, and TV screens. But if I want to target specific devices, I don't want to show my ad to computers and TV screen, I only want to get displayed it on mobile phones and tablets, that can be done. You can choose them and you can save the options from here, and that will be done. So the device wise targeting can also be done in YouTube campaigns. So this is all for today. Majorly two targeting options: audience and content, and this have some subcategories. And these are the targeting options, and I have showed you how we can navigate them. But still, if you have any questions, any queries, you can drop them in the comment. I will probably take them up and will create a detailed video on the same. Thank you. Have a great day. This is all for the today. Subscribe and like this channel, and do share this video as much as possible. Thank you.